Okay, projection is ready now. Now once again I'm previewing this, running the data preview. I should get only one column with one single aggregation. Max side aggregate. I think there are nulls. Because of nulls, no nulls in the data. Projection, perfect. I think query we did not modify. Yes. We fixed a table, but query we did not replace that. That's why always it is generating single value, single column value. You have to say table. If you fix a table, just give table. In the previous task, we said query, but we did not modify that. Okay. Now, preview the data this time. Once again, importing the schema, importing projection. Refresh. Yeah, now this is perfect. Now check the aggregate too. We should not get null, the max value. We should get it. Okay, 906 expected. This output I want to write into cache. To write this output, sink. We have three types of sinks. What is the first two? Here, physical data set. This data set can be reused in other data flows. This data set can be reused in other data flows. This is inline. Without data set, you can write output into a file or into a table. Got it? This is cache. No file, no table. Only in memory. In memory with persistence. Cache. Got it? I'm going to select this. Understood? What will be there? What will be there into this? The previous one, aggregate. This output will be there. Where is that? No. This output will be there. Max side. Already I told you, the cached output limitation is within the data flow. In another data flow, you cannot use it. Okay. What I am expecting now? What exactly the thing? Our task is what? 906 was last max ID. Next ID should be 907. Where is your file? Your file. Previously we created one file, new data. For the new data, I'm going to create a data set now. I want to use that. I want to create a data set, a new data set. This is for data lake, Gen 2, delimited. Remember, sir, we have only 4 fields, no ID, name, salary, gender, department number. The data set name I am giving ds underscore new data. Linked service, our data lake linked service I am giving. First row we have header. What is the file path? Under my data, you have new data. There is new data here. Data set created. Go to the data flow. Add the source. This time the source name I am giving as new employees. Okay, already physical data set you have created, you are using that. What is the data set name? ds underscore new data. Check the projection. 4 fields, but you want to reflect that into the table, you have to change the data types. Salary, integer. Department number, integer. What column you need now? I want to load that into the table means what column is needed. Think that in the target table, employee ID, your ID is primary key. If it is primary key, you cannot skip that, right? Compulsory value should be supplied. Understand? You cannot escape it. This is the data. For this, I am generating a surrogate key. If it is surrogate key, it is not asking you any data set, but it is asking you what is the column. I am giving for now, I am giving SNO, where SNO is serial number. What is the starting value? 1. What I wanted to do, please check. The second column is surrogate key. Starting value, every time 1 I am giving. Got it? But in the additional column, the max ID to be taken. For that max ID, the surrogate key should be added so that your ID will become 907 for the first person. Understood, Venkat Krishna? Mr. Adesh. Come on, attack this. I want to generate a new one. Surrogate key. Check the options here, please. SNO and 1. Just check the preview till now. Running the preview. Look at SNO. Starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have inserted 7 records, I think. 7, 9 records. Got it. So based on the surrogate key and max value, which is already cached, I want to generate new employee. For this, one more transformation I am adding. Derived column transformation. I want to generate a new column means you have to go with derived column. In the derived column, I want to generate EID. EID means employee ID. What expression that you have to give? All of you high concentrate here. Already something you have cached. How to use that cached output? Look in the right side. There is a cache lookup, right? Check this. If you click on cache lookup, what is the sink name you have given for this? Sink name, sir. Please check. What is the sink name that you have given? Sink 1. Got it. Again, once again, I am entering into that. Sorry. Derived column. Under settings. I am going into expression. Just click on cache lookup. Under cache lookup, we have sink 1. What is the type of it? Array. Whenever I click, I will get like this. My transformation is sink 1 hash. I will get. Understood? Able to see sink 1 hash dot outputs. Outputs is a function. Understand? But outputs is an array. From that array, I want first one of 1. Got it? From that, I want to take max ID. Because max ID field you have already cached. The output shape will be like this, sir. Output will be in the JSON format. Sink 1. Under that array, another element is JSON. JSON has a field, max ID. The max ID value is 906. This will be the shape of your output. Understood? How to take this? So actually, under Sink 1, still more deeper if you go, the output's original shape will be like this. Outputs like this. The expression is like this: Sink 1 hash outputs. The outputs returns this array. The array has only one element, one item. That is the first item. How to take that item? Of 1. Then result will be like this. This is a JSON. JSON has field and value. I want to take this field value. That's why dot max item. Understood this expression? Dot max item. The same expression I have given over here. Now check the output. Till now, what happened? I'm running the preview. Look at last column SNO. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9, which is surrogate key result. Look at next column, which is EID. For all the rows, the max value is applied or not? 906, 906, 906, 906. Now, if I could able to add addition of SNO and EID, 1 plus 906, 907, 1 plus 907, 2 plus 906, 908. Same thing, 9 plus 906, 950. For every record, based on last maximum ID, a new ID is being generated on. Understood this? Now observe this, all of you, where we are. Okay, go back to that expression builder. Go to the derived column settings. Here, I'm giving plus SNO. Got it? Plus SNO. SNO is surrogate key. This is max ID value. Max ID is constant for all the rows. Now check the output. Get a preview. Run the preview once again. Now what will be the content of EID? Please check it now. Who was the last employee in the table previously? 906. Now who is the first employee here? 907. Who is the last employee here? Tomorrow. This is today's story. Tomorrow again, other 10 fresh employees. Tomorrow, who is the first employee? 916. Because this 915 will be kept into cache. Understand? So that daily new customers or new employees are keep coming, for them, automatically new ID will be keep generating. This technique will be useful not only in this scenario and also for your SCD2 implementation. In the case of SCD2, already Mr. Lakshman is there. For the Lakshman, record modification done at the source level. Incremental load will take the delta. Once it is pushed, second version has to be generated for Lakshman or not. What is the difference between SCD1 and SCD2, man? SCD1 only merge delta. New records inserted, updated records, old records updated. But it won't maintain history. It won't maintain history. For every new record, history should be maintained. At that time also, we are going to take help of this kind of cache technique. For the Lakshman, employee ID 105, already 4 times updated. What is his version? His version is number 4. Now, what should be the next version? His employee ID 104, already 4 times updated. So that what is the latest version number? Number 4. For 104, latest version is number 4. Tomorrow, once again, record updated. For the 104, what should be the latest version? 105. That means for the previous latest version, it has to add number 1, right? Understand? So in many cases, in many scenarios that you can use it. Okay, still our work is not completed. Final finishing touch. I need to write the result into sink. Once again, adding sink. Sink is our SQL table. What is our SQL table? Okay, let's keep it as sink 2. I said derived column. Incoming stream is derived column. This time I want to write the output into physical data set. Got it? What is our data set for the table? DS underscore. Understood. DS underscore employee table. What about settings? You are going to do insert. Understand? You are going to do insert operation. The mapping. Auto mapping is enabled. Because of this, IDs will not be generated. Because here you said EID. There in the table, ID. Columns mismatch is there or not? That's why manual mapping. Look at this for ID. Here, no ID. What to be done here? Employee ID. I'm selecting employee. What we have generated employee ID right now. Got it. Remaining as usual, name to name, salary to sal, gender to gender, department number to department number. We don't have last modified time in this file. That's why nulls will be loaded. Understood? Now my work is completed. Understood? What is the data flow name? Generate IDs. Go to the pipeline. The pipeline run data flow, not run flows. Our regular data flow will take a regular pipeline. So here I'm going to take under settings. What is the data flow name? Generate IDs. Remaining everything is okay. I'm going to debug this. Please check what happens now. Not yet started. We are expecting 9 new records in the table, sir. But for all these 9 records, like the ID should be starting from 907. Okay, because previously last max was 906. But I don't leave you. My next task is alphanumeric. The ID should be generated with alphanumeric content, not with only pure numbers. Already I told you example of SNDT 101, SNDT 102, like this I want. Okay. The previous IDs were with characterized. Okay, sir, here it is saying that your execution is succeeded. Go to the table. What is our table name? Employee, right? Select start from dbo dot, just type m5 and it will show you where id greater than, already 906 is there, greater than 906 we will check. Loaded or not? For Venkat is the first person. For Venkat, what is ID? 907. 907 onwards, for every new person, one new unique sequence number it is generated. Understood all of you? Okay. Our second part took like 2 sessions because in the middle the session was breakdown because of meeting time is up. Now these two and first one already I uploaded. These 2 sessions I will upload by afternoon. Tomorrow more we will see. I will end up this by Sunday, sir. Meanwhile of Sunday, how much max we can see, all the things we will see.